In this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the caster and steering blocks for your RC car. As you can see, I'm going to be using the Rustler 4x4 as an example, but this should be the same on a Slash and Stampede 4x4 as well. After taking off your wheel, it should look something like this. Start by unscrewing 3 screws, this one, and this one. It should just slide off. After removing those 3 screws, you're going to need to take out this one, and this hex. After disassembling them, this is what you should have left. Take your new ones and reassemble it. After that's all reassembled, put it back on the car. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and comment down below and tell us if you think we should do more of these.